Shatamiyat, the blasphemy. Sometimes people may be thinking, oh, he was saying about Isa alayhi salam. Guess what? La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. I will start giving you the examples from now onwards. Mirza has committed the blasphemy of our beloved Master Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam as well. As just example on the topic of Miraj, look at this one. Malfuzat, volume 9, page 319. I.e. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani said, Miraj, the body which had the journey of Miraj for Rasulullah sallam, वो ये हगने और मूतने वाला वजूद तो ना था. Allahu Akbar. That was not this body which was urinating. And what is the word, Adnan bhai?
Polite term is Rafai Hajat. In the Urdu language, a civilized term to describe the same phenomenon, which is defecation, is Rafai Hajat. So Rafai Hajat is basically equivalent of defecation in the English language. But Hagna, literally, sorry, again, I have to apologize beforehand. Nakle kufr na bashud. Hagna means shitting. I'm sorry to say this, okay? Literally, this is how it is meant in the Urdu language or in the vulgar tongue of the Indian subcontinent. And Mutna is again, same thing. Mutna is not urinating in the English language. Mutna means pissing. I'm sorry to say this again. I'm only using these terms here to remove the filth of Mirza. So Hagna and Mutna in the Urdu language actually equal the terms I've already stated, not the polite terms in the English language, urinating and defecating. He's actually referring to the Prophet ﷺ when using this language. How did this man respect Rasulullah ﷺ? Tell me. One wouldn't use this language for their parents.
No.
One would. I could not say this about my parents. I could not say this about my parents. Mirza is using this language for Rasulullah ﷺ. If you have any shame, you cannot possibly believe in this person.